LG launches new CineBeam S Mini Ultra Short Throw Projector. LG has launched the CineBeam S Mini UST 4000 projector in markets worldwide. Currently available to pre-order in countries like the UK and Australia. This compact model features an RGB laser light source and an ultra-short throw ratio of 0.25:1. Plus, it has built-in speakers with Dolby Atmos support and HDMI and USB-C ports. The LG CineBeam S Mini Ultra Short Throw UST 4000 projector has officially launched globally. This smart home model was unveiled at CES 2025, with the company confirming European pricing a few weeks later. LG has now listed the CineBeam S on its websites in countries like Canada, Australia, and the Republic of Korea. In Australia, you can now pre-order the projector for $2,499, with shipping expected to start in mid-August 2025. Plus, at retailer Richer Sounds in the UK, you can currently pre-order the device for £1,099, with stock expected in September. The CineBeam S projector, also known by model number PU615U, has a 3-channel RGB laser light source, said to deliver up to 500 ANSI lumens brightness. It can throw 4,000 images up to 100 inches wide, with a 0.25 ultra-short throw ratio. According to the product listing, it offers 154% coverage of the DCI-P3 color space, a 450,000:1 dynamic contrast ratio, filmmaker mode, and support for HDR10. Plus, the DLP projector has image perfecting tools like automatic screen adjustment, screen scaling, and wall color adjustment. It uses the LG WeBoss 24 platform, with apps like Netflix, Disney+, and Apple TV, and the ability to wirelessly screen share via Apple AirPlay 2 and Miracast. There are also built-in stereo speakers with support for Dolby Atmos, 2 USB-C ports, and an HDMI ear port. The PU615U is a relatively compact model, measuring 160 x 160 x 110 mm 3x 6.3 x 4.3 inches. It remains to be seen when the LG CineBeam S Mini Ultra Short Throw 4000 projector will become available in more European countries or in the US, where the LG CineBeam QH710PB is currently sold for $996.99 at Amazon.